I'm a high school teacher, which means I'm constantly telling students to put away their phones. Or at least I was. Because recently, I stopped. That's right, I'm not demanding students have them often in their lockers. I'm letting it slide when Steve snaps a selfie in science. See, I underwent what is known as a paradigm shift. A paradigm shift is a dramatic change in the way of thinking or behaving. We can thank the scientist Thomas Kuhn for paradigm shifts. He came up with paradigm shifts in his hugely influential 1962 book, The Structure of Scientific Revolutions. In it, he looked at shifts or changes in scientific paradigms or fundamental ways of understanding the world. Here's a biggie, that the Earth revolves around the sun and not the other way around. This paradigm shift didn't just transform astronomy, it completely changed our sense of our place in the whole universe. Over time, paradigm shift became a general way of talking about a significant change, like cell phones. They have brought about all sorts of paradigm shifts, completely changing everything from how we work, to how we date, to how we learn. I had always assumed that cell phones are just disruptions and distractions in class. Then, I realized that Megan listens to music because it helps her concentrate, while Noah is on Wikipedia researching whales. But here's what's really spurred my paradigm shift. When I stopped bugging students about their phones every other minute and treated them more like adults, they ended up just putting them away on their own. Like you there. I'm sure you were just playing Candy Crush because it helps you commit all this information to your long-term memory, right?